Imagine a seaside escape where every view is a postcard and every moment feels like a scene from a movie. That's Parga for you. Nestled on the northwest coast of Greece, Parga beckons with its blend of idyllic beaches and lush green landscapes. Picture this. You're strolling down a vibrant boardwalk, the sound of waves gently crashing against the shore, local musicians playing traditional tunes that make you want to dance. Yes, that's Parga's everyday soundtrack. Here, the Ionian Sea meets golden sands and pebbled coves, creating a perfect backdrop for sunbathers and adrenaline junkies alike. Whether you're diving into the deep blue or simply soaking up the sun, Parga's beaches offer every shade of relaxation and thrill. But Parga isn't just about its stunning shores. The town's lively culture is painted in every taverna, each serving up delectable Greek delicacies that are a feast for your taste buds. And let's not forget the warm, welcoming locals, whose stories add color to this picturesque paradise. As the sun dips below the horizon, watch Parga transform with its ambient lights and cozy cafes, perfect for those cool Mediterranean evenings. Whether it's the serene landscapes or the vibrant local culture, Parga promises a getaway that you'll remember for a lifetime. So why not make your next vacation a scenic retreat to Parga? Dive into the beauty, the culture, and the unforgettable experiences waiting just for you. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more hidden gems around the world. See you in Parga!